Hey everybody, welcome back to Smoking with the Smiths. Today we've got a real simple recipe for you guys. Quick, easy. We've got chicken. We're going to do beer can chicken on the Pit Boss KC combo. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So we'll get right into it. Alright guys, so once again we're doing beer can chicken today, also called chicken on the can, but that's a little gross, so we're going to just call it beer can chicken today. And we've got a 5-pound chicken here. I've already washed it. I've already cleaned out the cavity. It's 100% ready to go. So 5-pound chicken, first thing we're going to do is put some olive oil on this. We're going to want that on there so that our rub has something to bind to and sticks to the chicken a little more easily when we apply that. So first thing, we've got the olive oil. And you're going to want to make sure you rub this in real good. Make sure you get all over the chicken. And you're going to flip it over and make sure you get the other side too. Alright, and then we're ready to season. So today for our seasoning we're going to be using Pit Boss's Sweet Mesquite Jalapeno Rub. We're doing a mesquite chicken today. We've got mesquite pellets in the smoker. We've got mesquite pellets in our smoke tube. And we're going with a jalapeno mesquite rub. So get this on the chicken and be generous with the rub as well. And then we're even going to make sure to sprinkle a little bit in the cavity here and get that all around in there. Alright, so now we're going to prep our beer can, and today I'm going to be using Miller Lite for two reasons. Number one, it's what was in my fridge, and number two, it is the superior tasting light beer to all other light beers. Hashtag not a sponsor, but maybe one day, we'll see. So anyway, you want to empty some of this beer out. You don't want it to be completely full, so you want it to be maybe like 3/4 of the way full, so I'm going to get rid of some of this beer right now. Oh, shoot. I might have drank too much. Sorry. Alright, there we go. So, we got our beer ready here. And just going to lift this chicken up and using the back cavity right down on the can. And then you're going to want to kind of make sure to spread the legs out here. You want to kind of use those as like more of a tripod type thing so that your beer doesn't tip over. And then one more thing, one more important thing before we put this on the smoker. You want to tuck your wingtips in so that they don't burn. So you want to make sure those are nice and tight against your bird there. And one more thing we're going to do that we just kind of thought of off the cuff here to get a little bit extra spice, since we got all this mesquite and we got the jalapeno rub. We have some jalapenos in the fridge, so we just kind of quartered them up, leaving the seeds and everything in, and we're just going to slide these down into the cavity as well while this chicken cooks. With that, we'll go ahead and head out to the smoker. Alright guys, so before we put this on, we're going to insert our meter right down into the thickest part of the breast right there. What we're looking for is an internal temperature of 160. That's when we're going to pull it off the heat. It's going to then continue to rise to eventually 165, where it's going to be safe to eat. So with that, we're going to go ahead and put it on the grill. I have the grill set at 350 degrees. And I'm also running the smoke tube in there as well. I'm expecting this to take maybe about an hour, but once again, we're not really going by time here. We're going by temperature. So as soon as this chicken hits 160, we're going to pull it off.
smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go.
Okay guys, so we have the chicken done here. We took it off the heat. It actually took about 2 hours if you include 10 minutes to let it rest. So it was in the smoker for probably about an hour and 45 minutes until it reached internal temperature. But here it is, the beer can chicken. We're gonna go ahead and take the beer can out now and the meter thermometer, and we'll go ahead and carve it up for you quick.
When I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come by. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. You know I won't fall. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. I don't wanna be left alone.
Alright guys, so there you have it once again. Beer can chicken. The perfect Sunday morning smoke. You can have a chicken leg for lunch. It's great. Really easy to make. You need a whole chicken, your favorite rub, and a can of beer, and that's all you really need to make this. So let's try a piece of this and see what it tastes like. Oh man. Oh, that's good. Juicy. Tastes great. A little bit spicy with that jalapeno in there. Really good recipe. I highly recommend you guys try it. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, we'll see you then.